southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Ware, Monson, Granby, Southampton, Barr, Hadley, Warren, West Brookfield, and Sunderland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations.